guys, Running Kimono here. So today is my lucky day. All of my deals at Walgreens worked out perfectly. I paid very little out of pocket. Walking into this, I had $16 of register rewards that I tossed into this deals, made a whole bunch of points with NEXXUS, and then just everything worked out perfectly. I need to buy a lottery ticket. And then over in the gas relief near the pharmacy, that section where they have like heartburn medication, this good stuff. Lots of stuff on clearance, 90% off, and I'm going to show you what I found. I didn't grab everything. I just grabbed a couple odds and ends, stuff for my mom basically, and then a couple things for our household, because you never know when you might need this. And I'm already drinking one of these emergency hydrations. They're really great. Okay, we're going to talk about that at the end. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day, and it's about 80 degrees today. It's kind of a humid one. Okay. So the deal that I was just kind of unsure of how it would work out, and I know a lot of you were just like curious as well, was with the NEXXUS. Now I know a couple weeks ago I got a price modification with this, and today, I'll be really honest, there was not a manager in sight when I was in the store. So even if I asked the cashier to do a price mod, it probably wouldn't have happened because the manager usually has to key that in. So kind of in a problem right there. So what I did was I had a 25% off coupon that comes to you through an email. And if you did the Lady Speed Stick deal like 2 weeks ago, you would have at the very bottom of your email receipt a 25% off, which is kind of like a bounce back coupon, which is like, hey, come back into our store, 25% off regular priced merchandise, which are these two ladies. This one was $14.99. This one was $13.79, so hang on to your wallet for that. Over on coupons.com, we have $5 printables, which is great. But using that 25% off coupon, guys, $7.20 just melted off right there. I also had this guy from the flyer, which is your 10 times every day. This little barcode I got the cashier to scan. So that would also give me back some extra points. So after everything was said and done, I had to pay $11.58 cash out of pocket because this is a spend deal with this, which is spend 20, get back 10,000, which is a 50% return on investment. So that's really great right there. So after I paid my cash, I looked at my receipt and I had 12,610 points, which is basically $12.60. So it made this haul completely for free. And then I think Fetch Rewards also gave me back like 300 points for the purchase of these two NEXXUSes. So free NEXXUS is the best kind of NEXXUS. If you can swing this deal, absolutely go for it and do it because it's just a fantastic little deal. The next deal that we did is with these Revlon Kiss Bombs. So there's two different kinds. There's a fancier one for $5.99 and then there's this guy for $4.99. So look for the ones that are tagged and ringing up for $4.99. First one's $4.99, the second one's $2.99. Adding that together, that's $7.98. Now in this basket, I added some extra stuff that I didn't have manufacturers for. So I was able to use 2 register rewards to pay this down. So I paid very little out of pocket and got back a $5 register reward. Not a bad little deal. Now I think this is really the deal of the week for Tide products. I think it's just fantastic. So these Tide products, you can get a jug of the liquid or the pods. I always go for the pods because they are easier to store. These guys are $4.99 a pop. So for 2 of them, that's $9.98. We have a $2 digital plus a $2 coupon from the August P&G. Now, if you didn't get the August P&G, alternatively, what you'd have to do is grab 1 bag of pods and 1 jug of liquid, have the two $2 coupons loaded to your store card. $4 would come off. You would pay $5.98, get back this wonderful $3 register reward, and it would be like $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per Tide product. I think that's just a superb deal this week. So any way you can shake it or make it happen, because that's such a fantastic little deal. I mean, I absolutely love it. I picked up some Crest toothpaste. I got these 2. They are $3 each. So for 2 of them, that is $6 on the nose. We have a wonderful 3 off of 2 digital coupon. That came off perfectly. And then I got back this $3 register reward. So it made it essentially for free. Now, just to let you guys know, for all of these deals, you can absolutely use points to pay. For NEXXUS, you have to pay cash for the balance. Just to note that, because I know a couple of you are probably wondering about that. Okay, so I finally was able to track down 2 of these Rimmel makeup removers, and they are 40% off, so they are ringing up for $2.51 a piece. Ideally, guys, you're looking for cosmetics that are tagged or ringing up with the Walgreens app at that magic price of $2, because if you go to the big book of savings on page 23, we have this wonderful 4 off of 2 that's scanning perfectly on these eye and face products. So ideally, you're looking for cosmetics that are in that price point, and this worked perfectly for it. So I ended up getting these, the cost for them was $5.02. Got the cashier to scan this. It was $1.02 for 2 makeup removers, or 51 cents each. And this is something my mom loves, so I mean, this is just fantastic. Okay guys, and in just a couple things I want to show you on the back to school, like some fire deals, including these pencils. They are usually closer to $3 or $4, and they're down to 99 cents. It's this week only. I know that at some schools you have to use this specific pencil because of the lead base, but 99 cents, that's a killer deal. I didn't buy any because I have so many pencils that I've been hauling for next to nothing over at the Dollar General, and I don't have little ones in school, but for some parents out there, this might be a thing to grab. Also, if you deal with a lot of payroll or a lot of cash that you have to like bundle up, a bag of, you know, a couple hundred rubber bands. I think this one's a 500 count for $1.99. If you ever have to buy rubber bands, if you do like payroll with cash and you're always bundling it, for us accountants out there, you'll know what I'm talking about. $1.99 from almost $4.49. That right there is also a stock up price, and this is part of back to school. And this is the Wexford brand, which is the Walgreens brand, but a really good quality rubber band. I've used these before in the past. Okay, so taking a quick little break before we talk about clearance, I want to talk really quickly about my Hellofresh Box, and these are the wonderful meals that came last week, and this just saves me a trip to the grocery store. I work full-time and work on these couponing videos on the side, so I don't really have a lot of free time, but they send you all the ingredients to assemble the meal, and if you are interested, I have a coupon code in the notes to get $40 off your first box, making it $20 with the UPS shipping included. We did cancel a couple weeks of this box, and we must have spent so much money on like Applebee's, that sort of food, and I tell you, this is a much better savings, especially if you want to cook at home. My husband loves making these fancy meals, and they're very easy to put together. and it's just really good food. So if you guys are interested, I know that sometimes you want to change your menu around. Check out the link in the notes, and I would be forever grateful. So, okay guys, so as I said earlier, if you head over to like near the pharmacy, they have like a gas relief, pain relief, acid relief aisle. It's right near the pharmacy. That's where you'll find this stuff. A lot of this stuff is hitting 90%. So the first little item that I found is this heartburn medication, which is the Walgreens brand. There is 100 capsules in here, so that's why this was very, you know, interesting for me. And this was 94 cents on 90% off. And as you can see, it expires on December of 2021. So if I was going to gift this to my mom, it's a lot of product and it's going to last a really long time. Product emergency, please don't tell Ravi I bought this, or he's probably going to unfriend me and cancel me. There was quite the little controversy a couple months back where this company was giving out gift cards just for signups, and I think most people didn't get their gift cards. I certainly didn't, Ravi certainly didn't, and Ravi was really upset. And I agree, because I don't think they should have it and then just cherry pick to give it to like 100 people. But I'm not the boss over there. But anyhow, these guys were $1.29 each. No IVC for that or coupons I had in hand, but still $1.29 for this. If you're ever working out or sweating a lot, when my husband goes and does the lawn, this is what they look like. You just throw it in some water and you're good to go, just to help you stay hydrated. It's kind of like a Gatorade. But for $1.29, they're usually $12.99 for this. I thought we could definitely use one pack of this for the house, and especially when it's 100 degrees and you're outside doing lawn work, it's a really good thing, because doing the lawn outside is definitely a workout. So I just bought one of them. Now this was definitely the find, and if I could have found more of these, I would have bought more of these. This is some Anti-Diarrhea Relief, which is kind of a weird thing to buy, but you know, if you ever have an upset stomach, sometimes this is what the doctor ordered, and when you have to pay full price for this, like $7, $8, $10, that's when you start feeling it really. So this guy was originally $6.99. I got it for 69 cents, guys. Like, holy smokes. Now, I know there's some IVC coupons, and before you guys come for me in the comments and said, you could have got it for free, those are for the pills only, not for this liquid stuff. And as you can see, it expires next year in August, if it'll ever focus. So August of next year. 69 cents, that is a steal of a deal. And then I also grabbed this for my mom. It's some Epsom salt, in case you might have constipation. You know, and I just thought it might be something she'd want for her pantry. And it was 19 cents. Walk down the gas relief pain aisle, see what they have. I know every household in the US will probably need one of these and one of these, and if you can buy it for 90% off, that is the time to stock up. I don't know what's going on with Walgreens, why there's so much fire clearance. I can only surmise that because their stores were less traffic in March and April and May, that's probably why they have so much merchandise that's hitting 90, because I've never seen this kind of clearance in my 10 years of shopping there. And this is just some fire stuff. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.